Hey everyone, welcome back to 7 Reviews. Today we're taking a close look at the HUHD-HA13 second generation auxiliary hearing bone conduction earphone. If you're curious about how this device performs, especially for people with hearing impairments, stay tuned because we've got all the details. So, what makes the HUHD-HA13 stand out? Well, it's designed to be a folding, waterproof bone conduction earphone that's suitable for people with hearing impairments. Let's dive into the features. Feature breakdown, design and build. The HUHD-HA13 has a sleek, lightweight design with a foldable structure, making it portable and easy to carry around. The waterproof feature adds durability, so you can use it outdoors without worry. Comfort and fit. Bone conduction headphones sit outside the ear, which means no ear canal blockage. Great for comfort, especially for extended use. The adjustable band ensures a snug fit for different head sizes. Sound and performance. Since it's a bone conduction device, it transmits sound through vibrations to the inner ear, which can be beneficial for those with certain hearing impairments. During testing, I noticed clear audio with good bass response, though it might vary depending on individual hearing conditions. Waterproof and durability. With its waterproof rating, I tested it in